Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel TThompsonstyledit, where we keep fashion on a budget and get very creative over here. So I have all of my social media linked right here in this video. I also have it down in the description box so you can easily connect with me. Okay, so fashion lovers, today we're going to be showing you guys how I recreate this t-shirt that I have on right here. So if you like the way this t-shirt looks, stay tuned. Okay, so this is how this shirt is looking. It's an off shoulder shirt and it has 3 slits in the bottom of the shirt. You guys, I really like the way that this shirt came out, and I want to go ahead and show you guys how you can make one as well. Okay, so this two-piece set came from SHEIN and it was $11. I want to talk a little bit about the outfit. The shorts have a drawstring waist that actually works, so you can tighten up the waist or loosen the waist. Okay, so the shorts also have pockets, which is a plus for me. So the elastic waistband is another feature that I love about these shorts. It just has the easy on and easy off. Very relaxed and very comfortable. So the folded part of the shorts is not my favorite, but it does have stitching in it, so it keeps the fold in place. I guess that's okay. Okay, so I have this outfit in 3 colors. I have the khaki, which I'm going to show in another video, and I have this green one, which I'm going to do in this video, and I also have the gray one that I have on right here. Like I said before, these outfits were $10, so go ahead and get you some. They are very reasonable and won't break the bank. Okay, so the way this shirt looked, I did not like it at all. So like I said in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make the off-shoulder look with the green outfit. But on a side note, let's get into this cup my daughter bought me. It says, sometimes you forget how awesome you are. So this is your reminder. I love it. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, so back to this shirt. So these are the shorts that we're not going to do anything to. And here is the shirt that we're going to make the off-shoulder look with. So this shirt is super plain, you guys, and y'all know I can't have that. Yeah, no. Okay, so let's get started. Now, the first thing I like to do is look for any tags in my shirt. I always cut the tags out of the shirt. It doesn't matter if they get in the way of the cut that I'm trying to make or not. I just absolutely cut all tags out of my shirts. The next thing you want to do is lay your shirt down on a flat surface, and you want to smooth out any wrinkles. Okay, so we're going to start by cutting the sleeves off both sides of the shirt. There's nothing special about this, you guys. You can cut it at any length that you want to cut it, just whatever you like, whatever you desire. So now we're going to focus on cutting the neck of the shirt. Okay, and we're not going to just cut the entire neck of the shirt, like, you know, cutting the front and the back together, because that's just going to make the shirt too loose. Okay, so what we want to do is cut the front part separately and then come back and cut the back part. So right here I'm just showing you how I fold the front part of the shirt over a little bit just so I can make a cut in it. Okay, and then we're going to stick our scissors into that cut just like this right here, so that you're only cutting the front part of the shirt. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and cut the neck of the shirt close to the seam all the way around. Okay, so you should have the front part of your shirt hanging off like this but still attached. Now I know you probably like, girl, why didn't you just cut the entire neck part of the shirt off? Listen, don't do that because it's not gonna come out right. Okay, so just follow me on this. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to decide where you want to cut the front part of your shirt. So we're going to take a pen and we're going to draw a line from the shoulder part of the shirt going back to the middle part of the neckline, and I'm just going to freehand mark this. Okay, it doesn't have to be super perfect, but it should be pretty neat. Once you've made your outline, then you're just going to go ahead and cut along that outline, but make sure that you cut the ink off the shirt. We don't want to leave ink on the shirt after it's cut. So you just want to cut this until you get to that top seam. Once you get to the top seam, you're going to stop right there, and then you're just going to pull that part of the shirt back. So it should still be attached just like this right here, just hanging over the back. Okay, so now we want to work on cutting the back part of the shirt. Okay, so we're just going to go along the top part of the neck and we're cutting close to the seam, but we're not going to go all the way around. Okay, we're going to stop right in the middle. At this point, this is how your shirt should be looking. We're going to go ahead and draw a line starting from the center part of the shirt, and we're going to go all the way to the shoulder part. Okay, we're not going to cut along the neck. We're going to go all the way to the shoulder. Here's the line that I've drawn. I started from the cut part at the middle of the shirt, and I just took that line all the way over to the other cut part that's near the shoulder. Okay, so just as before, we're just going to go ahead and cut along the line that we have drawn and cut that part of the shirt off. At this point, the neck part of the shirt should come completely away from the rest of the shirt. Okay, so this is how your shirt should be looking. Okay, so that is it for the neck part of the shirt, ladies. So next we're going to move along to cropping the shirt. So cropping the shirt is very basic. You've seen me do it 1,000 times, okay? And basically all you're doing is cutting along the bottom edge of the shirt. I've cropped a lot of shirts, so I know exactly where or how high I want my crop to go. If you're not sure where you want your crop to begin, I would suggest putting the shirt on and just making a mark as to where you want it to start and just cut across. Now, girl, you know that shirt is cut crooked. Anyway, it doesn't even matter. Listen, you're going to pull this shirt and it's going to roll up anyway. So we're going to pull along the bottom and we're going to pull along the neck part. Don't worry about that. You got this. But listen, if that crookedness is bothering you now, you can always go back and trim it up some more and make it a little more even. Doesn't really matter to me. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't even look bad when you put it on. The shirt fits to one side anyway because it's off the shoulder. But, you know, do whatever makes you happy. So again, we're just going to pull along the sleeve of the shirt and we're just going to curl that part up as well. You guys know how to do this. We've been doing this a lot, you guys. So you got this. Let's go. Now, I do want to say this. When you're curling the neck part of the shirt, you know there's a seam like on the shoulder part. When you get right there, you want to take your time. You don't want to pull that too hard because you can actually rip the seam right there. So just be careful when you get along the seam part of the shirt. So for the final part, lay your shirt back down on a flat surface because we're going to put 3 splits along the bottom half of the shirt. Now, you don't have to do this. This is optional, but this is just what I like to see. So before I do this, I like to put the shirt up against me and figure out which way I want my my off the shoulder to go. Whichever way the off shoulder is, I like to put the splits on the opposite side. If you're following me, so that's how I determine what side I want to make these splits on. Okay. Now to start making your splits, you're just gonna grab the bottom half of the shirt and you're just gonna fold it to one corner, okay? Just gonna fold that over and lay it out flat. Get it very smooth so that it doesn't have any wrinkles in it, okay? And then we're just gonna start making our slits. We're gonna start small and then we're gonna go medium and then we're gonna go large. So this is how your slit should be looking: small, medium, and large. Okay, so we're just gonna pull on this shirt. We're gonna pull it like stretching it apart, and it's just gonna go ahead and curl all 3 of those sections for you at one time. Okay, you guys, that is it. You have made an off the shoulder shirt. So cute, so stylish. So we're just gonna go ahead and try this shirt on and see what it's looking like. Listen, I absolutely love it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope I've shown you something that you didn't know how to do. And as always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace, y'all.